Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make Astrantia Snow Star, and we are making this flower from scratch without any pre-made stamen. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more art and craft tutorials. These are what you need for this project. We are starting with the beige crepe paper. Cut the petals by following the template. We will need about 16 petals for an open flower. Now we are making the flower center with some 24 gauge wire. Cut a thin strip of light green crepe paper about 5mm height. Stretch it and apply some UHU glue. Then wrap the whole wire with it. Try to wrap the wire as thin as possible. After that, we trim the wire into 3 cm. Each flower we will need about 7 to 10 pieces of them. Take the beige scrap paper, stretch it and cut into small squares. Pinch a hole in the middle. And put the wire through. Add a drop of glue on the tip of the wire and fold the paper to look like the head of the match. Make sure you do the same to both ends of the wire and prepare a bunch of them. Take out a 18 gauge wire as the flower stem. I would suggest using a longer wire about 30 cm. Wrap the top 3 cm with a light green paper strip and set it aside. Bend the flower center wires into half. Use a round nose pliers to create a hook shape with a 7 to 8mm diameter. Put a half flower center onto the hook. Try to hook up as much as possible. And close the hook with a flat nose plier tightly so the wires are not moving very much. Now we are going to color the petals with some green color. I adjust my green color with some blue and yellow. Color the tip of the petal with some green and draw a line in the middle from the top to the bottom. Do the same on both sides of the petals. Compare the sizes of each petals and organize them into 16 pieces. Then we can start shaping. Hold the bottom of the petal and use your thumb to curve the top. Add a drop of UHU glue on the bottom of the flower center. Then Then you can start arranging the petals around. We will make them into 2 layers. Try to attach the petals close to each other. For the first layer, you should aim for 8 to 10 pieces. On the second layer, you can fill in any visible gaps in between the petals. If you like to make some flower for yourself, all our digital templates are available on our Etsy store. Wrap all the flower stem with some green flower tape and wrap them into bundles. Now we move on to the leaves. If you haven't watched our leaf making tutorial, make sure you watch it for some more details. Astrantia leaves is made out of 5 pieces of these finished leaves. Construct 4 pieces of the leaves with the 24 gauge wire in 12 cm long and one with 18 gauge wire in 20 cm long as the main stem. Attach the other 4 leaves onto it. I have added a drop of glue to attach the leaves together so they are not moving around. Then you can put everything together with some flower tape. You can also add some loose leaves onto the joining point of the flowers. You can cut them out with a petal template and attach with UHU Glue. Then you are done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you will like it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. We will upload 1 to 2 new videos a week. Stay tuned.